It's a hot one for the girls today. It's 85 degrees, but the humidity isn't here yet. It's still early June. Usually in Jersey, we don't get the humidity until August. So, at least it's a dry heat. We did get one soft egg this morning, and it was from one of the Andalusians. And again, it's nothing to worry about because they are still babies, so their reproduction organs are still developing. And we also got an odd colored egg. I'll show you. I think it's from August, but it's smaller than hers. I also didn't collect eggs yesterday, so we only had one egg yesterday. So I will show you. This is one of the Andalusians. This is that odd colored one I was talking about. This is, I believe this is Squawks. That's another Squawks. This is from yesterday. So, and then these two are from the Barred Rocks. Winks and Bobtail. So, those are the new ones today, and that one was from yesterday. So I believe this is August's egg. Again, it's a lot smaller than she normally does, and it has this weird ring around it. If anyone knows what this means, again, she's between 7 and 8 years old, and this is the first egg she laid within, I'm gonna say, 2.5 weeks. And she's perfectly healthy. There's nothing wrong with her. Where is she? There she is. She's walking around, squawking, running. She jumped on my lap yesterday. So, and she hasn't laid any soft shells, only this one in the last couple weeks. So, hope everyone has a good afternoon. Where's Winks? There she is.